Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to prompt on RenderNet AI. In order to do so, first off, if you are at app.rendernet.ai, then you should be met with a screen similar to this. And the way that RenderNet handles prompts is a little bit different from other generators. In order to prompt with RenderNet, what you're actually doing is you're focusing on creating a character. So there's a couple ways of doing this. Here in the main prompt box, you can put something in here and you can go ahead and try what comes out, and you just see what comes out. But the way that RenderNet tends to work is that you actually want to create a character. So if you click on the create a character page, then from here you can upload an image from your device, which I've already done. So we'll go ahead and just take a look here at this character that I've created. And here, there you can see at the name of the character and what it is that they're doing. So we have our face and we have our prompt, lying and relaxing on a beach chair near a swimming pool of a 5-star hotel. So that is what we would end up getting. Now, let's go ahead and try generating a video and let's see what happens here. So as expected, there is a subscription wall for RenderNet, and unfortunately they don't offer free credits, so I won't be able to show you how this works. But the general principles of prompting are applicable across the board. So when it comes to making a prompt, you always want to try to straddle the line between simplicity and the instructions that you're looking for. So you want to make sure that your instructions are as clear as possible and not overly verbose, because I have found that in doing so, a lot of times you tend to get mixed results. Sometimes that's fine because the results you're getting can be surprising and interesting, but for the most part, if you're looking to try to really dial it in, then you want to make sure that your prompts are as specific as possible. Let's take a look here at the prompt generator, and you can see that with RenderNet you have the prompt generator here, which allows you to specify the kind of person that you're looking for. So in this case, we can change our gender from either male or female. We have our origin. We can select from the different options here. We have age, body type, hair type, hair color, classy, background, style, classy, background, busy street. So here you can basically specify what is the type of person that you're looking for and what is it that they're doing, and then you can select use this prompt, and then it will show up here at the bottom, and then from there you can click generate, which of course we can't do because we don't have credits through RenderNet. So that at least gives you an idea of what to expect with RenderNet and what to expect from the prompting. Again, one tip that I can offer is if you want to improve your prompts, it's not a bad idea rather, to go into a chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude and ask for more specifics in terms of your prompts, and oftentimes the chatbot can do a good job of giving you some more details there. Sometimes I find with the chatbots that they can get overly verbose, so you have to be specific with your instructions and ask to do something more simple, and many times it will give you what you're looking for there. So that gives you an idea of how prompting works in RenderNet, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.